let me introduce myself. My name is Via Zara Rahmadita. In this video, I will explain about tax collection in Indonesia. This topic is important because tax collection ensures that taxpayers fulfill their obligation and support nation development. Okay, the first definition of tax collection. Tax collection is a series of actions taken by the tax authority to collect and pay tax from taxpayers who do not fulfill their tax obligation on time. In Indonesia, tax collection is regulated by Law Number 19 of 2000 concerning tax collection with this term warn. The main purpose of tax collection is not punish taxpayer but to ensure legal compliance and fairness in the tax system. Okay, next objective of tax collection. There are several objectives of tax collection. First, to increase state revenue. Second, to encourage taxpayer compliance. Third, to provide legal certainty for both taxpayer and the government. The proper tax collection, the government can fund public services such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Next, types of tax collection. In Indonesia, tax collection is carried out in several stages. The first stage is warning letter. The letter is sent to taxpayers who have not paid their tax debt after the due date. The second stage is forget letter, also known as a distress warrant. This letter has legal force and requires the taxpayer to pay the tax debts immediately. The third stage is seizure. If the taxpayer still does not pay, the tax auditor may seize the taxpayer assessment. The last stage is auction. The seized asset can be auctioned to pay the tax debt. Okay, next, right and obligation of taxpayer. Taxpayer have obligations such as paying tax on time and reporting tax correctly. However, taxpayer also have right. They have the right to receive clear information, to submit objection, and to appeal if they disagree with the tax assessment. This balance between right and obligation creates a fair tax system. Next, importance of tax collection. Tax collection plays an important role in maintaining state financial stability. Without effective tax collection, government program cannot run properly. Therefore, cooperation between taxpayer and tax authorities is very important to support national development. Example of tax collection case. For example, if a company fails to pay its tax debt after the due date, the tax office will first send a warning letter. If there is still no payment, a fourth letter will be issued. When the taxpayer continues to ignore the obligation, the tax authority may seize company assets such as vehicles or bank account. If the tax debt is still unpaid, these assets can be auctioned to cover the tax liability. This example shows that tax collection is carried out step by step according to the law. The last conclusion. In conclusion, tax collection is a legal process carried out to ensure tax compliance and increase state revenue. By understanding tax collection, we can become more responsibility taxpayer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.